AI is not the problem. Your questions are. I know. That's not what you wanted to hear. Everyone's like, oh, AI gave me a bad answer. No, you gave AI a bad prompt. You walked up to the most powerful information tool in history and basically said, hey, do my thinking for me, and then got upset when it didn't do it perfectly. That's like going to a personal trainer saying, hey, make me fit, and then being confused when they hand you a plan instead of abs. People ask vague questions, and this is the first mistake. Tell me about leadership. Give me marketing ideas. Help me with my business. What does that even mean? AI doesn't know. And AI also doesn't know your context or your constraints or your goal. So it gives you the safest, most generic answer possible. And then you read it and go, well, that feels kind of surface level. Well, of course it does. You asked a surface level question. A better question would be, listen, I run a small consulting business. My clients are mid-level managers, and I'm struggling with repeat business. Give me 3 strategies that increase retention. Okay, now we're getting somewhere because specificity forces better quality. The second mistake people make is they use AI like a vending machine. Insert question, receive answer. But the real power is not in the answer, it's in the interaction. Instead of asking what's the best way to do this, ask what are 3 ways this could go wrong. Instead of, hey, write this for me, ask critique this thing that I wrote. Instead of give me ideas, ask what am I missing? Now you're not outsourcing thinking, you're expanding it. And that's a completely different game. Because most people treat AI like an authority. Okay, and you shouldn't. You should treat it like a debate partner. Push it, challenge it, disagree with it. Say, I think that's wrong. Defend it. Or you could say, give me the strongest argument against what you just said. Now you're forcing it to refine and clarify and strengthen its own argument. And suddenly, the quality of the output goes way up. Because AI doesn't get offended. You can challenge it all day long. Try that with a coworker. Let me know how that goes. Okay? So stop using AI to replace thinking. Use it to sharpen your thinking. Ask better questions, be more specific, challenge what you get back. Because the difference between someone who gets average results from AI and someone who gets incredible results, it's not the tool, it's how they use it. Right? AI is not a shortcut, it's a force multiplier. And if your thinking is weak, it multiplies that. If your thinking is strong, well, it multiplies that too. So the real question isn't how good is AI, it's how good are your questions.